Welcome back to our third and final tour of our Crystal Lake renovation. This house sold a couple of weeks ago. We were fortunate enough to have it sell the first day that it was on the market, so that was awesome. If you have not seen the first two tours, we will link them up for you to go and check out. And now we're just going to give you the final tour. We're out here about to take all the staging furniture out and wanted to do a quick walkthrough with you. So we'll start here on the exterior. Some changes that we made was that we painted the brick. That paint color is Hail Navy. We also painted the door kind of a fun green. It's called Parakeet Green. It's by Sherwin-Williams. We took off the awning that was there and extended the gutter. We did some new shutters, and we do actually have a YouTube video tutorial on how to make your own shutters. They're not those exact ones, but we'll link up the tour or the tutorial for you there. We also put up a number sign and a new light fixture, and we painted the steps there gray. So those are some changes that we made to the exterior. Let's go on inside and I will show you the final product. All right, so we staged mainly with kind of like modern furniture. We wanted to keep a little bit of a modern theme going in this house. A lot of the projects that you will see are projects that we actually did for our book. Our book is coming out January 20th, so you'll get to see some of the projects in that, starting off with this coffee table here, our TV stand in the back. But other than that, I think the last time we came through, the walls were already painted. You can see now how the white kind of works with the black windows, and once we got some decor up, it actually doesn't give you that kind of sparse feel. It just looks kind of bright and fresh and what we were going for. I'll take you into the kitchen next. On the last tour, we did have the cabinets painted, but we did not have the hardware on them. We went with gold hardware, and that hardware is from Amazon. So we also added some staging. We always stage our homes. It's nice because it helps them to sell faster. It also helps the potential buyer kind of see themselves in the home, especially if you have, like a small space or kind of an awkward space. It helps to show them, here, this is how you can arrange your furniture and actually make it look great. So we always do that. So yeah, staged up this little coffee bar area, and I'll just let JP swing the camera through here so you can see the rest of the kitchen. And then we're going to move into the dining room. We did some fun things in the dining room. All right, first thing that you'll notice when you come in is the dining table, perfect for a dining room. This is one of our projects for our book as well as the bench that goes with it. It'll be in the dining room chapter, conveniently enough, of our book. We put in this light fixture. This is from Menards to give it that modern feel. We thought that went really well with the hairpin-like tables. And then we painted this wall over here in chalkboard paint, and we had a local Minnesota artist come in and draw these really super cute robins. We are in the town of Robbinsdale, so we thought that would be really cute. You can check her out at icandyart.mn. She's a local Minnesota artist, and she just did a phenomenal job. We loved working with her. The next big thing that we did, you remember in the last tour, we did have the door here, but it wasn't hung. This door is part of our book project as well. So we hung this, and then we put in a base cabinet with a wood top. We did the same gold hardware that we did in the kitchen. We did a wallpaper, backsplash, and we got that at Target. We put up the shelf and just threw up some wine and liquor glasses and liquor bottles and kind of staged it up, so this area is going to be perfect for if you want to keep some alcohol, or if you're having a party and you want to store extra food. We just thought this was a really good use of this old closet that was just kind of sitting here as wasted space. All right, and next I'm going to take you into the bathroom. I don't think we did too many changes in there since the last tour. I believe we'd already painted, so we just threw up a shower curtain and a rug and staged that, made it look a little bit more of a homey feel. And finally, I am going to take you into the master bedroom. So again, we've got a couple of projects from our book in here. We've got the bookshelf. That headboard, we will link you to the tutorial for that as well. And yeah, we just put in a bed so that they could kind of see themselves in this space and staged it up, and that is pretty much the upstairs. So I'm gonna let JP take you into the basement now.
Hey guys, thank you Liz for that spectacular introduction for me. We are in the basement here of the final walkthrough. I'm in the third bedroom now. The last video we had kind of already shown all of this, so we're going to make this kind of quick down here. A lot of it was already completed by the time the second tour rolled around. So this is basically how it was in the second tour. Nothing much has changed, so we'll just skip right on over to the bathroom. And remember, in the second tour I had said we weren't really doing anything in here aside from staging it at the end here. So we just kind of added a rug, nice little cup there for brushing your teeth, I guess, and then some towels, and good to go. And yeah, once again, $0 spent in the bathroom, which is really nice. And then we showed you this as well in the second tour. That's just the utility room. Added a rug in there, called it a day. Nothing too spectacular going on in there anymore. And then this was all painted and everything for the second tour, so basically the only changes here since the last time are the staging, and then we finished off the shelving unit. So I wanted to put like a couch and a chair down here just so people can see and envision themselves in the home, which is always a good thing you want to do if you can when you're selling a property, is to stage it. It can sell for more money and in a quicker amount of time. So if you have some extra furniture, do it up. And then this was about halfway done, I think, the last time we did the tour. So this is the finished product. So we added all that gold hardware on, added the shiplap here in the back. Shiplap? No, shiplap. So the shiplap is up, and then the new shelves, and then staged that up as well. So yeah, now it's kind of a completed family room, and that is about it. And like Liz said, it sold in a day, so always a best case scenario. We wish we could have those every time. So this is it for the Crystal Lake Rehab. Thanks for following along these past few months, and we'll see you at the next flip. Have a good one.